kids! This is Teacher Chi from K.1/2. Are you ready to acquire knowledge in nature around us? Today, we are going to learn about the rainy season. Are you ready? Let's begin. Okay, let's do the activity on page 21. It's about raindrops. Okay, raindrop is a single drop of rain. Okay, we can see a raindrop when it's raining. Now let's read the instructions. Trace the dashed lines. Draw the pictures of raindrops. Okay, let's identify first. Okay, what season is this? You see the clouds, and the children are sheltering themselves with the umbrella. Okay, the ground is wet. Okay, the clouds are gray or dark. Now, what do you think? Okay, what season is this? Okay, very good. It's a rainy season. Now, let's trace the clouds. Okay, trace. Okay, the clouds like this, curved line, curved line. Okay, curved line, curved line, curved line until it is finished. Okay, next proceed to the next cloud. Trace the cloud. Okay, let's draw curved line, curved line, curved line. You follow. Okay, this is how you trace the clouds. Okay, next, okay, let's draw a raindrops. Okay, draw a raindrops like this. Okay, do you know the shape of a raindrop? Okay, the shape of a raindrop is a spherical. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, that's how I draw a raindrops. Okay, that's all for today, kids. Okay, that's all for today, kids. I hope you've learned a lot from me. Okay, we will meet again. Till next time. Bye-bye!